What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of our course or our lectures. So, our previous video we've learned about the introduction to BIM, the introduction to Revit. So, we are in the Revit software itself, and this is the first page of every Revit. So, we are using Revit 2023 as we begin the year. So, let's move right away into the first page with an introduction of the user interface. So anytime you open a Revit from the previous Revit software or the new one, so this is Autodesk Revit 2023. So what you have here, we have the models area, we also have the family area, and we have also the recent files in which we open, and we have Autodesk DOS in which talks about signing in and getting other stuff from Autodesk. So this is the side of the left view. When you come to the recent files, you can see the files we've opened or you've worked on. When you come down to, we have the family area. Aside that, you can find the new stuff about Autodesk. So when you come to what's new about Autodesk Revit, you can also get an online help, and we have the community forum, Autodesk community forum as well, and you can also get a custom support from here. Aside that, we have the sign in box, and also we have the search here as well. We also have the Autodesk application store, and we also have the help, which you can use the function key and one to find. We have the minimize, maximize, and the close button here as well. But what I'm going to try to explain on this first user interface of Revit software is I'm going to explain the open, the new, and also the new from the family area, and the new from the open from the family area, and the new from the family area. So when you come to the open, it gives you a pop-up. So these pop-ups deals with what? RVT files and also RF files and Autodesk and Revit template as well. So all what this thing is talking about are files or categories of Revit template. So the RVT means the project template, and RFA means a family. And this one also means an Autodesk template, and we have the RT, which means a project template. So when you use the open, these are the various files in which you can open. So I'm going to do something here for you to see. When I come to my drive C, where I saved my document. So let me go back to the drive C. So under the drive C, I'll find Autodesk or Autodesk. No, I think I have to go back. So under the drive C, I'll look for program files. Under program files, I'll search for Autodesk. Under Autodesk, I'll search for Revit 2023. So I'll browse through the Revit 2020. So these are the files after you've done your installation. So what I'm going to do is to come to sample files. So these are the various sample files Autodesk Revit has provided for us. So we have various files here. We also have family. We have series of family here, both MEP family, we have structure family too here as well. So these are sample files from Autodesk. So I can try and open this, but this is just to explain how the open area works. So when I close the open area, when I come to the new also, it definitely browsed to me the sample files in which I just opened. So these are some sample files, such as sample of architecture projects. So we have the metric template here. So this new helps you to this new provide you a template in which you can help on to develop to become your project template. That's why it has templates at the end. So you have the metric construction template, you have the metric architecture template, we also have metric system template, So these are various templates Autodesk have provided for us in order to help us to build our template. So we have projects and we also have project template. So the difference is anytime you use the project, it means it's going to save as well RVT. Anytime you use the project template, it's going to save as well RTE. So get to know the difference between both. When you come to also browse, it opens the chosen template for you. So these are the various templates in which it was shown here. So you can also use the metric template. When I come to English, I can get the metric template too as well, or I can choose to decide to use the imperial template. So you have to choose between the ones that you want. So these are the family in which we have in Autodesk as well. So I hope you've understood everything about the first user interface, but we are going to go on into the second user interface. But first of all, let me give you a gist about the second user interface. So when you click here, it gives you the various tools about Autodesk. That's a nice thing that you've gotten from Autodesk. When you click here, it gives you a pop-up of the tools that in which you are going to use. So we have the structure area. So but this is going to come in the second user interface in Autodesk. So guys, thanks you for joining the course. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye for now.